y'all, my newest addition to my expedition. I'm getting rid of 6, actually 7 batteries, replacing it with this 180 amp hour. There's my wire to install it. I'm going to put all new fresh wire in there, OFC. Anyway, oh, and there's my build for my daily driver Mustang. Now, I am all about incriminator audio, so don't take this the wrong way, but they don't have any 8s available, and so this is what I've built. I'm actually going to upgrade to a different brand of an 8-inch subwoofer that I will show later. Anyway, if anybody wants to buy this box, it's $200, but you have to come pick it up. I will not ship it. It's wired to 1 ohm. It's 3 SDR Series 8s. All of them are dual tunes. It actually sounds pretty good, tuned to 36 hertz. Well, thanks for the views, and subscribe to my channel, Daily Subwoofers, please. We need all the help we can get. Look, whoever, we got the CES Lithium installed. I don't care what anybody says, CES is still good because Jonathan Patrick built the battery, so hey, I ain't gonna complain. He's the one that built it, so I like it. Anyway, so we'll progress some more here in a minute. We've got power on in the vehicle. We've deleted the front battery. I did it ghetto. I'm sorry. I'm better than that, but you know what? When you don't have what you need right away, you got to make do with what you got. So here's my battery delete. It's a big piece of wood bolted to the battery tray, and got my stuff hooked to it. Everything seems to look okay. By the way, that is plastic, not metal. So the hot is not touching anything metal. Anyway, just letting you know, got power. I'm fixing to crank the motor up here in a minute. Let's see what our voltage is on our display real quick. 13.2 resting voltage. That battery has not been charged yet. So, seems pretty dadgum good, I think. Oh, we got to do a walk around too. Got 4th order in here now. Yeah, let's get to that real quick. I'm sorry I'm scatterbrained. I think I caught some ADHD from some kid somewhere. Anyway, so, by the way, Team Incriminator Audio for the win. I'm loyal, and I will always be loyal. I don't know if you can see in there. I don't have a light handy. I don't know if you can see in there. I don't have a light handy. I don't have a light handy. Wait, I might have a light handy. I do have a light. Okay, anyway, that's inside the rest is from humidity. I'm gonna get that cleaned off. Got some LEDs installed. There's my 4th order. It's pretty dead loud, but we're not done. Anyway, we'll be back around over to the board. We'll see y'all shortly. Okay, let's get these hots hooked up. What we got there? Green. Green. Okay. And 1 green battery. And 2 green amps. 1 green from up front, 1 battery. I think we got it. Now we gotta do hook up the caps, capacitors. Knock shit over. Damn it. Piece of shit. We're gonna put it so our caps are charged. Let's find out how to. Set this on the ground. We got a mess here. Clumsy. And I'm stuck. Okay.
Another brown. Oh shit, another fucking hot. So much now. Okay. Okay, 16. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm installing the grounds. Those out for now. Those are caps. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I was gonna say, where is the ground? Where's my ground? Chest ground. Okay. Do it again. Okay, y'all. We have browns. Okay. Oh shit. We have juice. Shit. We have power. Hey YouTube, everybody, Facebook, whoever. We got the CS Lithium installed. Not sure anybody says CS is still good because John's had to build the battery, so hey, I ain't gonna complain. He's gonna build it, so I like it. Anyway, so we'll progress some more here in a minute. We got power on the vehicle. We deleted the front battery. I did ghetto. I'm sorry. I'm better than that, but you know what? When you don't have what you need right away, you gotta make do with what you got. So here's my battery release. Did a piece of wood bolted to the battery tray and got my stuff hooked to it. Everything seems to look okay. By the way, that is plastic, not metal. So the hot is not touching anything metal. Anyway, just let you know, got power. Fix the crank motor up here in a minute. See where voltage is on our display real quick. 13.2 resting voltage. That battery has not been charged yet. So seems pretty good, I think. Oh, we gotta walk around too. Got 4 door here now. Yeah, let's get to that real quick. I'm sorry I'm scared of rain. I think I caught some ADHD for some kid somewhere. Anyway, so by the way, team terminator audio for the win. I'm loyal and I'll always be loyal.